Human, who are you? Do you know? Beyond the hypes, beyond polarization, beyond nihilism, lies meaning and true freedom. Let me explain. More and more philosophers and scientists come to the conclusion that consciousness is an essential part of the universe. So, if you realize that your mind is actually partaking in a field of consciousness, then things start appearing in a different light. It's like the fish in the ocean. It's nice here in the ocean. Don't you see it? No. That's because you're boxed in. Likewise, there's a field of consciousness as vast as our universe. Are you tuned in or boxed in? So, how do we tune in to this vast field of consciousness? You see, our minds are like a special type of transmitter receiver, not mechanical like this, but biological. We are living in an energy universe based on consciousness. That means that everything has a wave frequency. Our thoughts have an energetic and frequency aspect too. Our minds can actually tune in to many types of vibrations of the field of consciousness. It is all a matter of directing one's attention to the proper quality of vibrations. Peaceful, agitated, you get the drift. All of this is explained in my free booklet, How to Navigate the Mind on the Ocean of Consciousness and Get Some Clarity. Who am I? My name is Martin Euser. I have degrees in psychology, science, and am deeply versed in wisdom traditions. You may want to visit my academia page. To summarize, in our chaotic world, many have lost any sense of meaning. This need not be, however. In my booklet, I explain a lot about the human mind and give some exercises to help direct one's attention to deeper layers of consciousness. Layers that you were hardly aware of, perhaps. This may help you gain some clarity as to the purpose of life and bring some peace of mind. Why is this booklet free, you ask? Basically, because this is priceless knowledge and I want to give it for free to give everybody a chance to know about it. So, this is an invitation to all who are ready to embark on a special journey, a journey of spiritual development. This journey may bring at last some clarity in these troubled times, to you and maybe others as well. You have a choice to make now. Do you want to understand more about life and consciousness or not? I wish you wisdom and peace of mind. You can click on the link to the booklet now.